Every year, the Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance puts fleets to the test through an enforcement initiative called International Roadcheck, with over 3 days across the US, Canada, and Mexico. CVSA certified inspectors examine tens of thousands of commercial vehicles for violations against the North America Standard out-of-service criteria. And here are the 3 most common violations they found in 2022. Number 1. Faulty brake systems. Defective brake systems sidelined more than 4,500 commercial vehicles at this year's road check. All it takes to render a brake system unreliable is a single flawed component. Number 2 on the list is damaged tires. While not as common as flawed brake systems, worn out tires were the reason more than 3,300 vehicles were halted this year. Tires can violate CVSA standards in a variety of ways, from exposed fabric and belt material to insufficient thread depth. And number 3 on the list is defective lights. More than 2,200 vehicles were placed out of service for having defective lights in 2022. By nature, lights are among the easiest infractions to prevent and one of the easiest flaws for inspectors to find. So knowing all this, what can you do to avoid infractions in 2023? The easiest way to stay ready for a road check and improve your fleet's safety and compliance overall is to leverage driver inspections. Using a digital inspection that can be filled out from an app on a driver's phone or tablet, ensuring the inspections are compliant and accessible wherever they're needed. If you want to upgrade to give customized digital inspections a shot, sign up for a 2-week free trial of Fleetio today to see just how easy inspections can be.